Hello children, in this class we will discuss lesson 5 Metro Cities of India 1. Some of the questions. I request all of you to take out your notebooks and write it down, both the question and answers. Metro Cities of India 1. Exercise A. Find the missing letters and complete the names. Some words are given here and some letters are missing. So we have to write the correct letter and make it a meaningful word. Question number 1. Q-TU-MI-AR. What is the answer? The answer is Qutub Minar. So write Q-U-T-U-B-M-I-N-A-R, Qutub Minar, which is one of the oldest monument in India. Next, question number 2. Dash ED dash OR dash. The answer is Red Fort. Red Fort is also a monument in India. It is located in New Delhi, built by one of the Mughal rulers, Shah Jahan. So the letters are REDFORT. Please note it down. Red Fort. Question number 3. M-RI-E-DRI-E. So the word is Marine Drive. The answer is M-A-R-I-N-E, Marine Drive. D-R-I-V-E, Drive. Next question number 4. M-A-R-S-H-R. The answer is Maharashtra, which is one of the states in our country, India. The answer is M-A-H-A-R-A-S-H-T-R-A. So please note it down. Question number 5. C-H-N-D-I. C-H-W. The answer is Chandni Chowk. Write the spelling C-H-A-N-D-N-I, Chandni Chowk. C-H-O-W-K, Chowk. So this is one of the marketplace. Next, exercise B. Match the following. Column A and column B. So column A and column B are given here. We have to match both the column with the correct answers. Question number 1. India Gate. The answer is B, option B. It is Memorial of Soldiers. India Gate was built during the British rule in the memory of all the soldiers who died during the First World War. Next, question number 2. Chandni Chowk. The answer is Marketplace, option D. Chandni Chowk is a famous marketplace in New Delhi. Next, question number 3. Elephanta Caves. Where is Elephanta Caves? Mumbai. There is a place in Mumbai called Elephanta Island. Okay, from Mumbai, from the main city Mumbai, it takes 10 kilometers to reach Elephanta Caves, and we have to take ferry to reach Elephanta Caves. Next, Marine Drive. Question number 4. The answer is option A, Queen's Neck Ledge. Marine Drive is called Queen's Neck Ledge. So there is a road near the coast, near the sea in Mumbai, which is called Marine Drive. During night, when all the lights in the Marine Drive on the road are lit up, are switched on, it sparkles, it shines. Okay, so the Marine Drive is called Queen's Neck Ledge. Question number 5. Rashtrapati Bhavan. The answer is option C, the residence of the President of India. The Rashtrapati Bhavan in New Delhi is the residence of the President of India. And who is the present President of India? Ramnath Kovind. So I hope you understood about exercise B. Exercise next exercise C. Answer these questions. Question number 1. How is the climate of Delhi? Answer is Delhi has an extreme type of climate Summers are very hot and winters are cold. A very hot and dry local wind called Lu blows during summer. So the climate of Delhi is extreme. During summer, Delhi is very hot, and during winter it is cold. And in Delhi, a very hot and dry local wind called Lu blows during summer. The wind which blows in Delhi and also some other states like Bihar, okay, a local wind blows in those states which is called Lu, and during summer afternoon. Next, question number 2. What is the importance of India Gate? Why India Gate is important? India Gate, which is located at the center of the city, is a memorial to soldiers who died in the First World War. So India Gate is one of the important landmarks of our country, India. It is located at the center of the city, New Delhi. And India Gate was built in the memory of all the soldiers who died in the First World War, to remember all the soldiers who died during the First World War. Question number 3. What are the commonly spoken languages in Mumbai? So, which are the languages the people in Mumbai speak? The answer is Marathi, Gujarati, Konkani, Hindi and English are some commonly spoken languages in Mumbai. So, the people in Mumbai, which is the capital of the state Maharashtra, speaks the languages which are Marathi, Gujarati, Konkani, Hindi and English. These are the common languages spoken by the people in Mumbai. Question number 4. What is the most famous festival in Mumbai? The answer is Ganesh Chaturthi is the most famous festival in Mumbai. The people in Mumbai celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi. Why? Because the next, question number 5. Write a few lines on the Marine Drive. The answer is Marine Drive is a beautiful stretch of road along the coast of Mumbai, also known as Queen's Necklace. The road sparkles at night when the street lights lining the coast lit up. So Marine Drive is a beautiful road. Where is Marine Drive? Marine Drive is in Mumbai, near the coast, means near the sea. There is a road near the sea in Mumbai which is called Marine Drive, and also Marine Drive is also called Queen's Necklace. Why? Because the road in Marine Drive sparkles at night. It shines at night, okay, when all the street lights, during night when all the street lights are switched on, are lit up, okay, in the Marine Drive, it starts sparkling. So Marine Drive is also called Queen's Necklace. So dear children, I hope you understood about this exercise. Thank you. Have a nice day.